Hey guys, Julia here in Summerlin, Nevada, and we just wrapped up a gorgeous installation. 2 Apollo retractable screens on a white vinyl sliding glass door. Now this setup right here is a perfect example of why Apollo retractable screens are the way to go for your patio sliders. Let me give you a couple of reasons why. First, who wants to stare at 2 traditional sliding patio screens all day? You know exactly what happens out here in the Vegas weather. They get dusty, they get dirty, and they just sit there blocking your view whether you're using them or not. With an Apollo retractable screen, the screen is only out when you actually need it. When you don't, it tucks away, your view stays wide open, and your screen stays so much cleaner. Second, have you ever tried wrestling with a traditional patio screen door? They stick, they jump off the track, they're a nightmare. Now watch how these retract smooth, silky every single time. And that's not just a promise, that's guaranteed. And here's the thing a lot of people don't realize. When you buy from Apollo, you're buying factory direct. That means the warranties actually mean something. You're not dealing with a middleman, you're dealing with the people who made your screen. So if you're ready to ditch those old patio screens, come see us at our showroom at 900 Wigwam, Suite 135 in Henderson. Or give us a call at 702-595-7534 to set up a consultation. We'd love to help you out.